Hello.
Hi, welcome to our new setup. This is something that you will see on a regular basis now on this channel.
Yay. On today's episode of What's Up Wednesday, today we'll be talking about
Korean culture and everything about Korean
Korean.
language, trends, all that is happening in India and in world.
Let's first talk about what's happening in India. What are the trends that you have seen?
I feel Korean language or the culture in general is taken like it just came by a storm. Suddenly I'm seeing that it's everywhere, like doing this hearts. It started with this heart actually.
Yeah, actually.
Yeah. It started with this
Yeah.
heart and we all used to do this heart, and then the
It has
Korean
reached so much that all
the
the uncles and all the boys also know about this heart,
Oh yeah,
which is
and
very
they
strange.
also watch the K drama
Yeah.
now. So it is very common. Actually, it's a part of Indian culture now that every girl has like a K-pop fan or so everything. And also, it has also what I've seen, like it started with the heart, then the K dramas came in, K-pop music came in, and right now, which is going on is K beauty.
Right now, I think on the boom, like
It's
it's
K
the K
beauty.
beauty and also Korean fashion, because I've seen a lot of clothes being marketed as Korean fashion. Like the basic tops or the flared pants, which I have seen, I get ads which is specifically Korean fashion brands or
Okay.
even the pattern of it. So Korean beauty and fashion is something which is like something you can see very much.
Very much.
Also, we got new mics.
Oh yeah. The whole setup is
Yeah, so let us know if you
an
can hear
upgrade.
us
Yeah.
clearly now.
With the new mics, everything.
First, I think it was more of the teenagers or the younger generation which was influenced by Korean language or K drama or South Korea, but gradually it has come across all ages. Really
Us as
towards
well. I think every skincare line has something Korean product in it.
rice,
Rice and
snail.
yes, all of that. Every Indian brand has also like adapted
Yeah.
that. So it's all over.
And also because we are in the field of learning languages and all the language related thing, even for Korean language it was always the youngsters that were coming to learn, but the audience is more broadened up now, and it's also a very cute language to listen to.
I think it's also because in India it was always about learning French and German, but
Yeah,
now it is about Korean. Like there's a vast majority
it's a
of
big shift.
student, yeah, big shift that who just wants to learn Korean and just not like in India there's a mentality like you learn a language because you want to build a career in it or want to
Go to that country.
or make become a teacher, but here it's actual learning for the fan base learning or by it's coming from the heart that everyone wants to learn Korean. So that's something that I have loved the most, I
Yeah, I
guess.
think that is very sweet actually.
Yes, there's no one like, even for French, even though it's the majority of people who are learning French, but it's not coming like from the heart.
Yeah, they learn and then they like the language. But
Yeah,
here it is like,
they
even
like
if, yeah,
already.
they already like, they
Yeah.
want to speak in that language, so they are learning the language. So that is one very good thing actually. But what is the thing that you relate most to with Korean or Korean language
For Korean language, I
or
think
the
I
culture?
culture. Okay. First thing first. I think I started the whole Korean thing with the food. Because yeah, I went for a Korean barbecue and I had Korean friends, so that's how my influence came to me back in the day. And then currently I'm relating more, yeah, with the food. Same thing, it has continued with the food and the skincare and also the K drama. Yeah, those are
Yeah.
these are the three things. And also about the skincare, because we are on the topic, so I'll just share it. I had a friend and she used to use sheet masks every single day. at night. So they are so much into it, and because we were we had like a 3 months of training, so and we cannot leave the country during the training period.
So she got full 3 mask.
Yes,
3 months
she had like around 90 to 100
mask.
yeah, the packages of masks that she bought along with her from Korea, and she was like distributing to me or everyone who were curious, because she like bought a lot, like hundreds of packages, and that's when I realized how important skincare is.
I think being in India, you can experience the food part really well because there are now many cafes and restaurants which are Korean themed and everything Korean. And if you want to experience more, you can experience many things. We'll talk about how. But talking about food, we can actually go and try.
Right now, okay,
We'll take you around
and show you how is it like the Korean influence in India in a cafe in Mumbai. So
there's
let's
much
go.
more we'll talk about on the WhatsApp Wednesday. Hello. I hope you can hear us. So
Finally,
have
we are
finally
the place,
reached.
and it's very pretty.
It's very
Like,
cute.
I mean,
The
and
name of the restaurant is
I go.
Ego.
So the first impression of whatever we ordered, I really like it because they have got my matcha with a biscuit. It's one of the best things that a cafe can do. So thank you. First
So
of all.
currently we have ordered a matcha latte, kimbap, which is like sushi, and a hibiscus bubble tea. Oh, you have already started. How is
this
it?
really good.
Has a lot of Korean dishes also.
You also try?
Yeah, the matcha is getting cold. They have really good songs also playing.
Yeah.
Now that we are waiting for our food, we have already finished what
There's
we
a lot
ordered.
of-
What was the first K-drama or K-pop song that you ever watched or you listened to?
King Land. It's very nice. I would recommend to every. It's based on like hospitality industry and romance, and yeah, very nice.
I think the first K-drama I saw was, I don't remember, but the second one I think it was Business Proposal, which is very cute. Why do you think K-dramas have become so popular in India? I think because it also has a lot of drama like Indian serials or shows have. So Indians are very attracted to it. That's why it's so popular in India. Plus they look really cute and very desirable. Like you will want to watch them. So I think the youngsters are watching because it's so cute and so dreamy. And drama will always work in India.
Also, I feel is super
And it's very
catchy.
catchy.
Yeah.
If you had to recommend one K drama to a beginner, which one would it be and why?
The King, the Land.
Why?
Why? Firstly, it's very. It has a good story. It's just one season, 10 episodes, and a very good storyline.
What makes K-pop different from other music industry, especially like Bollywood?
Definitely, I think the costumes. I know that there is. It's like more like K-pop is more like a band, and Indian song is more like the stories there in the song.
Because it's between a movie.
Yeah. So yeah, Indian song is more like it's more like a musical. Indian songs, right?
Yeah.
More like
There's
a
like a
musical.
whole choreography with all the background.
And
all of it.
yeah, when the child is born to his got married, all of that is
Yeah,
shown
the
in
whole storyline.
one song only.
How do you think Korean and Indian food culture is similar?
I think it's quite similar. Maybe that's why I like the barbecue so much.
Even the culture similarities, I think it is the respect and the kind of respect that you have to show to your elders or the etiquettes of dining and everything are much similar. We are done. with the meal.
The meal was really good, especially with the cheese, the matcha cheesecake. Which part of the restaurant do you like the most?
I think where I'm sitting, I like this place because you can look everywhere around. But I really like that they have the screening and those cute things written in Korean.
Yeah, it Aigo basically means cuteness.
Yeah, or charm.
And for me, I also like the screening, but the fact that it's in an open space.
That's the best.
Here in Mumbai, because in Mumbai we hardly get like outdoor spaces, and especially outdoor spaces with the screening. And I saw the subtitles, so even though there
Oh.
is, yeah, even though there is like this music playing, if you're into, you can just sit here, have a coffee and watch your favorite show, and it's a good I think a very good outdoor cafe after very long.
The pricing you'll find at any cafe in Bombay, I think it's the same. And yeah,
But with good food.
yeah, the food was nice. There's a lot of variety also in itself. Good drink and everything. The options are good.
And after the kimbap, we ordered roboki. It's the mixture of rice
Rice.
something, sticks and noodles.
Noodles.
It was super spicy. And what we inquired is like everything over here is spicy.
It is the sauce.
Yeah, the gochujang
Yeah.
sauce, if I'm not wrong. So that sauce is spicy and it's everywhere. So just make sure you order what is spicy.
To end our Korean WhatsApp Wednesday video, we'll definitely try to pronounce these Korean words which I hear. And overall, I think it's a nice way to experience the culture and the food. We'll let you know how you can get closer to any culture or language or just to experience it in the description below. So
Yeah.
make sure you check it.
Yes.
This plays really nice music.
Thank you for watching. Bye.
How do you say thank you in Korean? Kamsahamnida.